Kasing achik holistic educating movement ka Dawa ba ka sarkar Jylla ka di pertikam no ya ka rai man pelong ya ka Tura kum ka nong ba aka portlang. Kinong ilam juga Aham ka Jylla bagi untuk khobor kidong ba ka sarkar kada ban Kular ka session lan ya ka darbar ka banakong du man pelong ya ka Tura kum ka nong ba aka portlang. Kia thu ba ka ji pelong ya ka Tura kum ka nong ba ka portlang ra shibul gi muto nam ta ki pai ba jong ka
Been promised to us during the first session.
Okay.
Yeah. See, in Meghalaya, most of the in Meghalaya, apart from Shillong, this one our Garo Hills it's quite underdeveloped as compared with the Shillong. And moreover, this one, the people from our state, for any man issue, we have to come to the Shillong. And coming to the Shillong is not an easy task. There are some who are privileged, who can come and go. But there are many who are underprivileged, who for the one rupees also we have to struggle. And coming to the Shillong for every single matter is not a job for those underprivileged people.
Whether it is winter or summer,